The following message is transmitted at the request of the Maryland Emergency Management Agency. Driving is extremely hazardous tonight on the roads in southern Maryland. If you become stranded, emergency vehicles may not be able to reach you. If you are stranded, do not leave your vehicle. Run your vehicle at 10 miles per hour and crank it on window for ventilation. Chemical spill civil danger for the entire state of Maryland.
Effective until
you take action.
Your Connect TV dish has been shut down. Please stand by as we fix this ongoing issue. Your Connect TV